Today's lesson is the fourth lesson in chapter 6, writing equations in two variables. What we are going to do today, we will solve questions like this question. Tell whether the ordered pair is a solution of the equation. And we have a given equation and a given ordered pair. Okay. To start, I need you to open your books page
266.
Yes.
266.
Thank you, my heroes.
266.
So go ahead, everyone. Open your books, page 266.
Okay, Mr. Okay. Teacher, I'm there. Can you get orders?
Okay, Leah, quickly. Okay, my heroes, we know already equations with one variable. So what about equations in two variables? So we are using two letters in the same equation. So the two variables, if we use an equation in two variables, they are two quantities that change with the relationship in each other. So the solutions should be two values because we have two equations, two variables. So it should be two values, two numbers, the solution. So the solution should be ordered pair. And any ordered pair means we use brackets like this. Let me show you just a second. Oh, this is not working. Okay, I will show you the ordered pair, but we can see it in example 1 here. So let's see example number 1. And for example number 1, we can use, okay, just a second. We use this page. Tell whether the ordered pair is a solution of the equation. As you see here, my heroes, we have an equation y equals 2x. This is the equation. And what is the ordered pair? 3 and 6. And I will show you now the ordered pair. Any ordered pair should be x, then y. So x and y. Here is the x, the first number is the x, and the second number is y. So the value for x, the value of x is 3, and the value of y is 6.
6.
What do we need to do? We need to find to tell if this is a solution or not. So we should substitute. So substitute 3 for x and 6 for y. So for x, I will remove the x and I will write 3. So 2 times 3. And for y, what should I use for y? Help me, my heroes.
6.
Exactly.
6, Mr.
And we need to check if the left side and the right side are the same.
Can I say it, Mr.? 2 multiplied 3.
2 multiplied by 3 equals?
6.
Yes.
6, Mr.
So we simplify it and we compare. The left side is 6 already. And in the right side, 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. So they are equal.
So 6.
If they are equal, so the given ordered pair is a solution or is not a solution?
a solution.
Yes, if they are equal, so the given ordered pair x and y, in this case, in this question, it's 3 and 6. So 3 and 6 is a solution. Okay, let's see the next one. Y equals 4x minus 3. So, Fahad, in the ordered pair here, what's the value of x and what is the value of y?
The value of the y, I think 4 or 12.
That's what I'm asking exactly. Okay, remember Fahad? Ordered.
Mr. Can I say it?
Yeah, just a second. Do not use your mic without permission. Wait. I'm talking to your friend.
Okay, Mr.
My hero. Ordered pair means it should be in this order. It will always be in this order. You will find it x, then y. All the time. Because this is the order. We call it ordered pair. Pair means two. And ordered because it's in the same order all the time. X, then y. So the first one is x. And the second is y.
Okay.
So, what is x?
4.
Exactly, 4.
Yeah.
And y is 12. Thank you, Fahad. So, my heroes, let's substitute 4 for x and 12 for y and see if the left side and the right side are equal to each other. Let's do it. So, here in the right side, 4x means 4 times the value of x, which is 4, minus 3. And we need to write the value for y that we need to check in the left side. The value for y is 12. So we need to check if 12 equals 4 times 4 minus 3. Okay, help me, my heroes. 4 times 4?
16, Mr. 16.
Minus 3?
14.
16
No,
minus
13,
3.
13.
16.
Exactly. So, it's 16 minus 3 equals 13. The left side is 12 and the right side is 13. Oh.
So is it not a solution?
Yes, they're not equal. So, this is not a solution. What is not the solution? What are we checking?
The 13.
No. We are checking the ordered pair.
What?
No, we are not checking the 12.
The order.
The ordered pair. The ordered
No,
pair,
Mr.
4 and 12.
11.
Yes, 4 and 12. So we are checking the ordered pair here, 4 and 12. So my heroes, 4 and 12 is not a solution.
A solution.
Okay, I think it's clear now. And we can
Yes,
solve
Mr.
a question to make sure.
Please?
Any problems?
I'm Faris. I have a problem.
Yes, Faris, go ahead, ask.
First off, if you, I want to tell you this, so don't give me
Just a second, Faris. Abdullah, mute your mic.
Okay, Mr.
Faris, yes?
That I tell you this, so you don't give me a note, because my internet, it always disconnects, and I don't have any other internet connection, but only this one. So if you say my name and I don't answer, know that I just
don't worry, Faris,
disconnect.
but you know now what you should do, right?
No, can you say it again?
Okay, Faris. Okay, my heroes, solve questions 1 and 2. And if anyone missed what I said, I will explain, for example, letter B.
Okay.
Y equals 4x minus 3. And we have the ordered pair 4 and 12. We need to check if this ordered pair satisfies the equation. If it satisfies the equation, so it is a solution. If not, so it is not a solution. So in any ordered pair, we start with x, then y. So it's x, then y. So x is 4 and y is 12. We substitute 4 for x and 12 for y, and we check the left side and the right side if they are equal or not. In letter B here,
Mr. I got to bring up to.
okay, Abdullah. In letter B here, they are not equal, so it's not a solution. In letter A, the left side and the right side is a solution. They are equal, so the given ordered pair is a solution. Okay, Faris?
Okay, now I get it. So easy. Thank you, teacher.
Okay, now try to solve questions 1 and 2, my hero.
I have a question about it. You see that
yes.
A and B that you just said? What are these numbers between the brackets? Why are they there?
Okay, the numbers in the brackets, we
Yes.
call it ordered pair, this word. So 4 and 12 is an ordered pair.
What page is it?
Any ordered pair should be x and y. This is ordered pair.
What?
Okay?
Okay, thank you, teacher. Yes, thank you.
Welcome, my hero.
What page is it?
Okay, you're asking about the page 266.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Abdullah Shaqaqiq.
Yeah.
Would you please help me to solve question number 1?
Yeah.
Okay, I will write the answer here to the left. And of course, my heroes, if you want to use the notebook to write the answer, it's okay also. But you should write the number of the page and the number of the question.
Okay.
Okay, in the first question, the equation is y equals 7.
Y equals 7x.
Okay,
7
and we have the ordered pair here. From the ordered pair,
2 and
what is the value for x and what is the value for y?
2 and 21.
Yes, x is 2 and y is 21. Okay, let's substitute. So 7x means 7 times x. What's the value for x?
Yes. The value of x, the value is x of is 3.
Why 3? It's 2.
Ah, no, 2.
Okay, and in the left side we have only y. What's the value for y?
21.
So we need to check if 21 equals to 7 times 2. The left side is 21 and the right side is 7 times 2. 7 times 2 equals?
40.
Oh! These two are equal?
No.
No, they are not equal. So I should write here not equal. This sign. So, the given ordered pair, is it a solution?
No.
No. So the given ordered pair, this ordered pair, my heroes, 2 and 21, is not a solution because when you substitute 2 and 21 in the equation, you find that it's not satisfying the equation. You cannot. It does not satisfy the equation. The two sides are not equal to each other. So let's write that 2 and 21 is not a solution. Okay, let's see question.
Answer.
Okay, who's this, Amir?
Mr. Abdullah Shaqaq.
Okay, Ahmed, go ahead.
Yeah. Y equal 5x plus 1. 3 and 16, x and the x is 3 and 16 is y.
So I will start with the right side. So 5 times x means 5 times.
5, 15, 3.
Okay, I don't need the value now. I don't need you to simplify. I will just write.
Plus 1.
So in this step, just we call it substitution. This substitute in the first step.
And y, it's 16.
So we need to check if the right side and the left side are the same.
It's 16.
We have 16 already
it's
here.
16. So 16 equals 16, yeah.
They are equal, so?
Yeah. So 16, 3 and 16 is a solution.
Excellent. So 3 and 16, this ordered pair, is a solution for the given equation. Okay, so now my heroes, we know the meaning of solution and we know how to check if the given ordered pair is a solution to the equation.
Mr. Abdul Shaggad,
Yes,
can I
Abdullah.
answer the next question?
Okay, Abdullah. Okay. Is there anyone writing? I need to raise it.
No, Mr. Right.
No, I don't think. Yeah, I finished before you. 1 and
Great.
2.
So I raise this and I need to zoom in because the next part is also important. I read this from the book. This part is about something called independent variable. And dependent variable. Okay, let's start with the independent variable. The independent variable is a variable which its value can change freely. So what should be the other one? We have two variables. One of them can change freely. The one that can change freely, we call it independent. So the other one should be the dependent variable. I need to tell you first what is the meaning of the word dependent. Dependent means if I change the value for one of them, the other should change. Let me give you an example for this. Let's take any equation like y equals 2x. Here, my heroes, if you change the value of x, you will get a new value for y. So the variable that can change freely here is x. So in this case, I call this x. This is the independent variable. Why this one is the independent? Because its value can change freely. And the other one, y, we call it dependent variable. What is the meaning of dependent? It means that simply, if you change anything in x, y will change. If you change the number for x, y will change. So which one change first? Or which one can change free? X. So x is the independent. And y? Why just we multiply the number by 2 to get y? That's what we're doing. because it's 2x, 2 multiplied by x. So to get y, we multiply by 2. Multiply the number for x by 2. Okay.
Mr.
Yes.
Can you repeat it for me the lesson because I don't know it.
Okay, if you miss anything, my hero, you can watch the video in Coursera. I cannot go back and explain the whole lesson again.
Okay, Mr. Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, my heroes, for the next example, I will use this page. The equation y equals 64 minus 8x represents the amount y in fluid ounces of chemical remaining in a flask after you pour x cups. Identify the independent and dependent variables. Then we have the question, how much of the chemical remains in the flask after you pour 5 cups? Okay, let's first think of the independent variable, x or y. Okay, my heroes, think of it. I can change the I will underline it to make sure that you see it. Y is the amount of chemical remaining in the flask. So this is y. And what's x? Is the number of cups that we use. So which one is independent? Which one can change free? You put the number of cups first, or you get the remaining first?
You put the cups first.
Of course. So x, what you use first is x, the number of cups. So in this case, my heroes, we say that because the amount y of fluid ounces remaining depends on the number x of cups you pour, so y is dependent variable and x is independent because x can change freely. So this is the first part of the question. About the second part of the question, how much of the chemical remains in the flask after you pour 5 cups? So in this case here we have x, 5 cups.
Yes, so you did x for 5.
Great, let's do it. What is the equation again?
X.
The equation.
5.
Y equals
5. Y
equals 64 minus 8x. Okay, Abdullah Shaqaq, you wanted to answer, so help me. You are not responding now. So, my heroes... yes, anyone can help me. Okay, all of you, of course, you can use your mics.
Okay, so...
Okay, I will ask a question and you respond to me.
Okay.
So, now we know the value for x. What's the value for x?
5.
Okay, so let's substitute 5 for x.
Y equals 64 minus x.
And now, 8 multiplied by 5 equals?
Equals 40.
And 64 minus 40?
24.
So, the answer to the question is there are 24 fluid ounces remaining.
Thank you, teacher.
Any problems?
No, thank you.
Okay, my heroes. Now, I will send to you the practice link. Let's go ahead. In the first one, we'll substitute 1 for x and 6 for y. Okay, I need help. What's the value of x?
Abdurrahman.
Yes, go ahead.
Me, Abdullah Shaggad.
I am Riyad, teacher.
Do not say your name. Go ahead.
Mister Abdullah Shaggad.
Abdurrahman, teacher.
No one is responding to
Abdullah
me.
Shaggad, mister.
Okay.
Abdullah Shaggad, can you say
I'm
it?
asking about the value of x.
6, mister, 6.
No. Okay. My hearers, we don't have enough time, so let me give you the answers. You are not listening carefully to me. I'm asking about x. The value of x is the first value, 1. So 1 plus 7 is 8. And the value for y is 6. 6 equals 8? No, 6 is not equal to 8. So this is not a solution.
No.
My hearers, please stop using your mics. I will give you the answers. If you have any problems, use your mic and ask. In the next question, we do the same. X is 0. So 4 multiplied by 0 equals 0. The value for y is 4. 4 equals 0? No, of course. 4 is not equal to 0. So this is not a solution. In the next one, x is 3. Now 5 times 3 equals 15. Plus 1 is 16. And y equals 16. 16 equals 16? Of course, yes, that's right. So this one is correct solution. As I said before, for these questions, you should use a piece of paper or a notebook and write the steps. In this question, we have the cost per pound, and y is the total cost and x is the number of pounds. So we have x is the independent variable. We'll multiply it by the number, we'll multiply x, the number of pounds, by the price of 1 pound to get the total cost. So y equals 5.25x. I answered the next question when I was explaining to you the previous one. The independent variable is x, which is the number of pounds of chocolate. We have one question only left here. Why is the so why is the repairing fees okay and $90 per hour? You have h hours, x hours, and you should add $50 for the traveling fee. So, okay, help me, tell me.
The second one.
Y equals?
Y equal 90 plus 50.
90x, excellent. We multiply 90
Yes.
times the number of hours, x, then add 50, which
Plus
is the
50.
traveling fee. Excellent, my hero. Okay, my heroes, this is the end of our session. Do you have any problems? Any questions?
Bye.
Okay, thank
No.
you, my heroes,
Bye-bye.
and goodbye.